Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7E Ultra, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and the volume down, and you will hold it till the screen turns off, which also indicates that the phone turned off. Once that happens, you want to swap to power button and volume up. Now after a moment, you will see the HUAWEI logo, at which point you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now you can also let go of the volume up once the logo disappears. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Here, simply click on safe mode. This will then initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so neither you nor the device can start it up. Now, obviously this is designed for troubleshooting, so if you have some kind of problem with your OS, you could test it out in safe mode, but any kind of physical problems with the device won't be really affected. So this is if you have some kind of, like, for instance, Harmony OS problems, you can boot it in here and see, for instance, some applications is causing those problems. If you still have those problems here, chances are it's more of a hardware problem rather than the software. Now, as you can see on this device, meaning HUAWEI, HUAWEI tends to hide applications that you can't use from the home screen. So there is this page normally it's filled all the way with applications, and there's a bunch of them missing right here. So if you want to get rid of some applications that might be causing you problems, you would need to do so by going through settings and then apps and services, and then apps. And here you'll find all the applications that you have on your device. So there we go. Now once you're done with this mode and you'll go back to the normal one, simply hold your power button and volume down till the phone turns off, and it will automatically start booting up, and when it boots up, it automatically goes to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.